It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Yo, what's going on, people? Welcome back to YK Recreation. You're probably thinking, why is Mr. YK got nice new clothes on? Because I wonder why. It's because the youths have got their own little project going on. Without me, they don't need me. No, they've got this other little project aside from the Subaru. So yeah, let's see. Let's stay with me to see what they're up to. Let's see what they're up to. So then, boys. What's up? What's happening?
Trying to take the door handle off.
Door handle.
Yeah.
It's on the door handle. Right.
There's a metal clip here. Should I just pull it off or what?
Where's the clip? Let me see.
Yeah, come here.
Yeah.
It's right there. See it?
Yeah. So
Just pull in it.
hold on. It might have.
Might come up a different angle, like up, down.
Hold on.
Oh.
Yeah. Is you pull it in it?
Yeah, I just had clips. Yeah, but you gotta like check which way it opens. But if you're not sure, it's always good to ask Bigfoot.
How do you take it?
It's good. Very good. Star keys. What size star keys are they?
Little ones.
Little ones. Right. Okay. Get the little star keys for him, boys.
Go on, get on.
I think they're T20s. Look, I'll show you a little trick instead of you struggling, yeah? Just pop this off, hold the socket,
Yeah.
hold the socket, and just try to do that.
Yeah, now I am. But it's still a bit tiny, look.
No, you got power.
My thumb's been injured, man, can't you see?
What you done?
Quit it.
Oh, that's normal.
I'm playing Fruit Ninja.
You play Fruit Ninja?
Yeah.
Slices?
Real life Fruit Ninja. Where did that?
When in
Oh,
there.
Oh, look. YK Recreation, stay care.
See anyone on the way? Do you want it? 3 are off? Is that it?
Tear off, right, pull it.
You sure?
Oh, there's one here on the side. Always check, look, there's one on the side. Yes, it's off. Now hold on before you.
Yeah.
I'll hold this for you. Unplug that window thing. The window switch here, you know the window switches?
Yeah.
Yeah, unplug that behind that. There should be plugs.
This?
Push that little pin in.
This?
Yeah, hold on that plastic. You know that plastic here?
This one?
This little plastic here. This plastic pushes in
Yeah.
and then this pulls back. No, then it pulls back.
And then?
And then it just pops out like that.
Yeah.
So when you put it back in, same thing, you're gonna have to push it back in, slide that over. Right, now go in here. Donna, come here this side.
Yeah.
Grab this, see that? Pull it first. Now whip it out, yeah. That's it. There you go. The side mirror plug.
Yeah.
I think it's this one. Yeah.
The zip tie on?
You just unplug it. It should unplug from the top.
Oh, yeah.
There'll always be a pin.
Look at
There's the pin there, look, right in front of you.
Would you push it?
Push it or pull. If it doesn't push, it'll be pull.
With that plug on it?
Just, it's a secret. Right.
You have to share to the subscribers, man.
Squeezed it through instead
Yeah.
of chopping it.
Yeah, so we folded it in half and we fit it through that all on that
Yeah.
side and we just have to fiddle with it.
Yeah. Good fiddling. Because I normally have to chop these. I'm trying to convince him again. Do the front bumper, man. Look how interesting it will be when you get the front bumper on.
It's not interesting.
Did you tell him to do the side mirrors?
I wasn't here, I just come back.
Oh, yeah, bloody, I bet you did. Look, just took the side mirror off. I'm saying leave the side mirror.
Yeah.
Let's take the front bumper off first. See if that fits properly.
Yeah, because you need to put all them clips back on, all that back on. So you do that and we take the camera off. Alright, good.
But he's saying they're just arguing now because of the bumper and side mirrors.
But what do you think? Do you agree with me? Do you think we should do the bumper first?
No, but... do the bumper.
No, but we want front bumper, back bumper, wheels. Don't you think we should leave the side mirror last? What's the problem?
Close the door. I'm not pushing it. You said never push these helmets together, bro. You try putting them together, go on then.
Yeah, but that's the only way, because that's the only way you get your bolt on.
Yeah, but he said never put them on because it might not come off with the name going on.
in here. Got slightly down in it, so all you do is just grab it from here. That's it. See it? It's level now. That's it.
What is it, bro?
What you finding, boys?
Oh, sorry, we lost all the pins that go inside these clips.
Oh yeah, because you pushed them out, now they can't go back in.
They just pushed it through the car and
Oh yeah.
Right there.
Is someone there? Someone there?
Is right there?
I'll get it for you.
Think they're falling.
Yes, sir.
Yes, here you go. Oh.
See that phone?
Push, but what to do is push the clip in first, then
push
put the
it
pin in. Yeah, it'll be easier for you. What's that? The clips for the muddy guard.
Woody guard.
Oops, I just lost all the
Why?
screws.
Why have you done
this? Okay, so the boys have got the bumper on. They're just putting the mud guards back on because they're doing a proper job. So that's the mud guard, putting the mud guard back on this side. And the mud guard back on this side. How you getting on? Do you need help? No, but... What happened? What happened? He pushed it through all the way.
Nah, it didn't even go in.
No, we're going.
How did it doesn't even go in?
It nearly lost his voice, dude.
It doesn't even go in.
Let me see. Show me this side.
Oh no.
This doesn't go through here. Look.
Let me see.
You got one.
No, I'm seeing if it's the the right size.
It's meant to go through the other side. It's not meant to go through there. It's meant to go through the other side.
It's not meant to go through the other side. There you go. So now put it in and then just tap it. Tap it here, just whack it with the hook.
I pushed it, sorry. Where is it?
Is it in?
What's come back out?
What's come back out?
The shield.
Yeah, because you're not putting it through the metal fully.
This is going.
Have you done the other side?
Where are you even putting it through?
This goes there.
Through there?
Yeah.
Go on.
Wait, the thing's pinned to.
There's someone not right.
Is that was
Push it through here. Oh, shall I tell you something? Put the light on. You pointed through the wrong hole, there's the hole. you was pointing into that massive hole, and is that hole there? Yeah, you definitely work for proper counsel.
Oh my day.
Yeah, okay, so now point in the right hole this time.
my bad.
There you go, now it stayed.
Yes, thank God.
Okay.
Thank you to Professor Council.
Finger power.
You're welcome, mate. It's raining, boys, it's raining. It's raining. It's okay, don't panic.
Oh,
We've got a shelter. We've got a shelter, mate. So you can put your hood back on just to keep your head warm. But apart from that, we're okay.
Show them the bumper.
Show you the bumper, people.
Hello?
Was there one missing here?